Maharashtra Institute of Technology Aurangabad is organizing webinar from 22nd of June on a very vital topic, that is effective use of ICT tools in online teaching. Friends, since last 3 months we are passing through a very difficult phase of COVID-19. Not only Maharashtra state, the whole nation, the whole world is facing this problem. COVID is a viral infection. As you know that at present there is no any remedy for the COVID. Now there is no any option, as we don't know when the lockdown will open, when we will free from the COVID infection. But at the same time, our teaching learning process, our research, our administration should not affect. And for that purpose, we have to learn how to live with the corona. And with this corona, we have to complete or pass through our activities, that is the teaching and learning. And in this scenario, the ICT will play a very important role. As you know that after COVID-19, this examination results and all that, this is a secondary. Definitely the university will come out with a concrete solution so that there will be no any loss of the students. But after COVID-19, what will be the scenario of education system? We have to search the option for our conventional and traditional education, and only I think only the ICT can provide the platform for this. My sincere appeal to all the academicians, all the participants from the state and other state to find out the way, and the way is only the e-learning. How to convert our this present contents, academic contents in e-learning, that we have to accept it. Presently, the AICT and UGC through MOOC, they have permitted 20% e-content. Recently, UGC also appealed to all the academicians, that is colleges, universities and other stakeholders, to convert up to 40% of the e-content, so that after COVID-19, that there will be a concrete substitute or option for the conventional education system. It will not be possible for the students to come or join the classes on day-to-day basis. So at least for 2 days, one batch will join. On the another 2 days, the second batch will be joined, so that by keeping the social distancing, masks, sanitizers, etc., by taking all the precaution, our teaching and learning this method will not be, process will not be affected much. At the same time, the evaluation, online evaluation system should also be developed. The teacher should accept all the challenges, and I hope that this workshop will be beneficial for creating the ICT tools in online teaching, learning and research spaces. I wish all the best for the workshop. I hope that the fruitful deliberations will be there and this workshop will be successful. Thank you very much.